Engage art collectors with a 3D virtual exhibition. Go from a local audience to a global one. Choose from a variety of digital galleries to curate your show. Set up your show info, add a curatorial statement, and a brochure. Now it's time to start curating your show. Place artworks and sculptures. Frame your artwork and adjust its position on the wall. Customize floors, walls, and ceilings. Pick a color that highlights your art. Navigate the space using the arrows to see how it looks. Once your online art show is ready, share it via link or embed it on your website. By clicking on the More Info button, visitors can learn more details about the piece and interact with it using augmented reality technology. They can also make an inquiry or directly buy the piece. Help your audience engage with your artworks. Create a virtual exhibition today.